As new compositor, sometimes you have to deal with big heavy comp, and that's sometimes difficult, especially when you are junior, to know what you have to pre-comp in your compositing. A very nice way now to do this is to use a new profile node. The profile node gives you an analysis of your compositing node graph. You can put one or a lot of profile nodes, so maybe I can decide to create a profile one there, and I can duplicate this to put another profile node. As you see, there is no worries about the number of profile nodes inside your compositing. When you will click on open profile panel, you will see you have the framework selected. In my case it is 1001, 1055. You can reduce it, for example, to 1010. You can just put this node inside your node graph. So I will just play a bit with the size and put this inside my property panel. That will be easier to work on it. So every profile will be available inside. You can select directly in the menu, or you can just click on selected. So like that, you can say this or this, for example. Now I will just analyze 10 frame, and I will just click on profile. As you see, you can select the data type. For example, if I want only CPU and memory, so I just remove the hopes, and now I click on profile. So now if you take a look on the node graph, you will see that every node are now in gray. Why? Because the system will just show you what is heavy and what is lighter. If this is green, perfect. If this is red, oh, that means there is a lot of operation and that pretty heavy nodes inside there. So that's very visual and very useful to know what's happened inside. As you see, when you click on selected, only the last profile node selected will be calculate. After calculation, the system will show you the different data after the calculation. So as you see, we're able to know where is a very heavier node for the CPU. It is the spline warp in our case. So that may be nice to just create a pre-comp after this node to have something lighter for the system. So that's how to you can use a profile node to just increase the efficiency of your comp.